looks like something you would see in the Northeast. Its hat's full of a little bit of snow. It's like Versailles. Snowman survived a couple of hours. Its hat's full of a little bit of snow, and little doggy's covered, but that's okay. It's still nice, right? And there's some snow suspended on a spider web. Wow! Let's go to the store. Outside.
Look, there's a rose. I see a single rose. Come here.
Some say love. Was there a rose?
A rose in the snow. Some little adventures. Oh, that's different.
This palm tree probably does not enjoy the snow.
Yeah, nobody walks.
We have some really cool houses in our neighborhood. This one is spectacular. It looks like a little alpine mansion. The tree with these pine cones, like we're in the forest here. Woohoo!
Sort of far.
There's my car. Oh my god!
That's so cool.
Poor car. Okay, your car's there. It looks the same. Wow. The road's just covered. Let's roll. Look at this. Snowboards, beer, and tubes.
Oh, shoot.
Oh my. This is awesome. This looks like fun right here.
Oh, it's very cool.
Are you getting some good speed on that?
Yes, yes. It's dangerous. My ass hurts.
That's all right. Danger. It's like Austin Powers' middle name. You're good. That is an amazing looking snow ensemble across the street. Good job. It's like Stonehenge.
Oh, boy, there's 3 of them.
There's more of them too. It's a whole family. This is the University Bridge, I believe. I feel like we're like on like an old railroad bridge right now. We're walking. Old railroad bridge. Good morning. It's day 2. There was some snow that fell earlier. The snowman is covered a little bit. Has some extra girth to him today. And we're back. Today, I'm going to experience my first visit to the Howe Steps. And then we're going to take the bus, and that's rare for us, so going to the Howe Steps, going to check them out.
The books has books. Even on Eastlake you can find fence that almost falling down.
It's a little crooked, right?
Not only in Russia.
Not only in Russia, but even in Eastlake, things are a bit crooked sometimes. Snow people, very cute. We're going to go up the hill now.
Oh, they closed the street completely.
It's closed?
Yeah.
Let's see.
That's where you slide.
Oh, you can sled down here. So nice. In the East Lake, probably.
Yeah.
But, you shall not pass. And they
This
can't.
hill right here.
Yeah, but we have to go up here though.
Oh, pretty cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember we walked here at night? They're supposed to be good.
Ready? Crisscross?
It's a whole park under the highway. I-5. Yeah, I've never actually walked under here in my life. And I've...
Sketchy at night.
Yeah, at night, of course.
There's not much lights.
No. But there's a park, and I'm sure there's a name to it that everyone knows. But it's pretty cute. Nice view of the city.
A lot of trails.
Yeah, and look, there are the stairs. So you could start probably down there and then make your way all the way up.
Yeah, that's good.
Which is where we're going. I would love to know how many steps there are. I'm sure the internet knows. If you know it, please tell us.
There will be outside.
And away we go. Apparently.
Already from here you see half view.
Wow. Lake Union. I thought I was at the top already, but we're not because there's more right behind us, so that's great. Yay, more steps. We made it. We survived. We're going down someone's alleyway now. It's not good.
No, I thought it was a garden here.
Holy mansion. These walls. I don't think even the Capitol Hill protesters could climb those walls.
The view. That's cool though.
It's like Versailles. Look at that.
Oh, it's Capitol Hill.
Do you think they live there, or it's like their fourth or third home? Probably. All right. Why not visit the office of the bishop? We probably can't get in, but it looks cool. Wow, this looks like something you would see in the Northeast. Think they'll let us in.
That air conditioner in the window.
It really breaks the whole scene, right?
The window itself, look at that.
That's gorgeous. Old school stained glass. Oh, sorry. We made it to St. Mark's Episcopal Cathedral. We're going to a church. And Natasha found the rose. This one not on the Titanic though. That's pretty awesome. I say awesome so many times, I have to get a better vocabulary. I think Anna and Elsa may have stopped by because this is spectacularly amazing, super incredible. It's icicles from the top, dripping, and forming these 1.5 foot icicles. I just want to touch it, but I don't want to break it. What is that?
Looks like a kind of a ice cream.
Yeah,
Like
they're
a
colorful.
slashed ice cream, or how they call it.
Look at that. What is it? Yeah, look at that. It's an apple on top. Wow. That's a blue mound there. A little snow person here. the one thing we've noticed is how happy people are during the snow. And I feel like for as much as snow may be inconvenience, it's what we needed, right?
Yeah, it's reuniting people.
Yeah. I mean, people on the streets are talking like, hey, how's it going? Do you like the snow? You say hi to them. Everyone's outside.
People were waving us from
Yeah.
our houses, and everybody would tell you happy snow day, and we were lacking that with all the lockdown and not seeing people
Yeah, so
emotions or just a lot of frustration. And I feel like
Totally.
it was a nice break for just to kind of like
it was definitely needed. And the holy trinity of shovels right here. These kind neighbors clean the steps. These are the Blaine Street steps.
there's the garden here.
Is it here or down further?
It's here.
It's here?
Yeah. Look at this view. Yeah, this is the bench. It's not as big, it just kind of goes around like this. But
Oh.
look at the view here. This, you can see the breach.
Okay. Yeah, this is a garden here.
It's very pretty in the summertime. We'll bring you guys here when everything is in bloom.
Yeah.
It's fast at the bottom now.
Watch out. What about that big chunk?
You'll be fine. You'll smooth it out even better.
Watch out,
You want me
Patrick.
to break it up?
Patrick, watch out. Ready, ready.
Uh-oh.
Woo!